say Merry Easter to every one of you. The Lord is going to surprise someone with breakthrough. The Lord is worthy to be praised. Jesus. One thing I know this Easter, the Lord is going to surprise you with resurrection package. For there is one thing I know, wherever I go, Jesus Christ never fails me yet. Somebody is going to celebrate this Easter with joy. Every dead seed in your life is resurrecting for good. Because there is something I know that the Lord can never put his hand to shame. Oh, Jesus, you can never fail your saints. He never failed me yet. Never fail me yet. Jesus Christ never fail me yet. There is one thing I know, wherever I go, Jesus Christ. One thing that I know, that Jesus never fails me.